These are the Boya Mini 2 wireless microphone with AI noise cancellation that is meant for smartphone recording. It works with your iPad and also iPhone. And I'm going to show you what's inside here and do a sound test. What amazed me about the Boya Mini 2 is the size. It's so small. Like I have this Rode wireless here and this is like huge compared to the Boya Mini 2. Let me show you what's inside here. Carrying case, silica gel, manuals, USB-C to USB-B, I believe, and the microphone itself. Now it looks just like my AirPods case here, a little bit bigger, more plasticky, not as premium, and boom, the microphone is here. So there is one microphone, two, and a little receiver right here. So two microphones and one little receiver here. Receiver itself is super light, like 5 grams or less. There's one little small button NR there, you can click on it. What is NR? Noise reduction? Now this is why you read manuals, right? Because noise reduction, that is. So apparently if you hold the NR button on the microphone for 2 seconds, it will turn on and off. And if you press it once, you are enabling the noise reduction or disabling it. On its case, the charging port is on the bottom, and it says here that you have 6 hours battery per microphone, and it gives you up to 30 hours with the case. And of course, you also have the central app on your phone. You can download that on your phone to do any sort of like gain and EQ control. There's also limiter and safety track for distortion free, and it records at a 48 kHz 24-bit audio. But what I'm really interested about is the noise cancellation. So let's put it to the test. Okay, so I have my phone right here. I'm going to plug this in now, push down the button to turn it on, I guess. There you go, the light is blinking here. So small, I'm not sure you can see it, but the light is blinking there definitely. And then I am going to turn on one of the microphones. Right now, both the lights are like static there, so it's like connected. So now I have the Rode and also the Boya Mini 2. This is a sound test between the Rode wireless, which is on my left right here, and the sound test of the Boya Mini 2, which is amazing, I think. Alright, so to turn on noise reduction, I have to click on this once, and the light should turn green. There you go. Turns green after a short lag. And you've heard the sound of the microphone, so I am going to put this up again. And although this, where I'm speaking at right now, is not a noisy environment by any means, but let's hear the difference of the sound. So this is a sound test. You're listening to the Rode wireless and the Boya Mini 2 on noise reduction AI mode, right? That's the sound in a not very noisy environment, but let's hear the difference between when the noise reduction is on compared to when the noise reduction module isn't on earlier on. What do you think? What I realized is you can't change any of those volume. There's no buttons or that on the device itself. To do that EQ or volume changes, you have to use the application, the app, which is something that the Rode comes in really handy, because with the Rode, you can, mute. I mean, you can mute on this device as well, the Boya, but on the Rode, you can, increase or decrease the volume depending on the situation. So this works with the mobile phone release seamlessly, but does it work with a computer? Let me try. It doesn't say that it does here, but let me try. Alright, so here it goes into the slot. Let me see if the computer is able to pick it up. Alright, it's flashing out now. Allow accessory to connect, yes. Okay, it does actually show up on my sound setting. I can see Boya Mini 2 right there. I'm going to click on it, and lo and behold, it actually works. There's input level here, so this means you can actually plug this in into Zoom, into your any audio software like Adobe Audition, to input audio into directly from this thing. This is great. Hey, this is a test of the Boya Mini 2 on my laptop, and it sounds pretty decent. The volume is a bit low, but I think with some software audio gains, you can actually increase the input volume on your computer, and it works really well. It works on a computer as well. So this is a great device. Very versatile, works on your mobile phone, iPad, and also computer. So what do you think? I think it's very inexpensive. Maybe it's not going to be my main microphone that I use on a day-to-day basis, but this definitely is handy to have it in your pocket or bag as a second microphone when you need in certain situations. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section, and we'll see you in the next video.